everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are back with another Luvme hair wig install. Now if you don't know about Luvme hair, they actually produce game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come ready to go with uncompromising quality, and of course they are at a really good price. The wig that I'm showing you guys today is their fluffy bouncy afro curls type of wig. It does come with the C part. It is a 5x5 lace closure, so you do have a lot of room to switch up the part if you prefer to. However, when it comes to textures like this, I technically like to keep the little C part that it already came with. When it comes to Luvme hair, switching it up is everything, and they produce so many different type of wigs that are ready to go and 100% glueless, and this is just one of them. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into this tutorial. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and jump on into this wig install. So first, I'm giving you guys an unboxing as always, just to show you everything that Luvme hair sent along with this wig. So here's the unit. Once again, this is their bouncy fluffy afro curls C-part glueless 5x5 lace closure wig. It does come pre-bleached for you. Look how nice that lace melts, you guys. Again, this is straight out the box. It has 4 different combs inside of this wig unit, and it also has the adjustable strap for a nice glueless wig install. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So of course, I'm gonna give you guys a nice close-up not only of the hair in itself, but the inside of the wig cap. So once again, it does have the 4 different combs in the unit. It also has the adjustable strap, and this is a pre-bleached 5x5 lace closure, you guys, so nothing that you have to do, and it already comes with the C part for you. Look how beautiful that lace looks. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, I did not do anything to this unit. This is how the wig looks straight out the box, okay? So if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just add some foundation to the lace. This is extremely important. Even though that melt already looks gorgeous before we even threw the wig on, you just always want to make sure that the lace matches your skin color as best as possible. Then you are going to adjust that adjustable strap and then throw the wig on. Now, me personally, I do like to use the combs within my Luvme hair wig units because it helps the lace to lay a lot flatter, and also it allows me to make sure that the wig is a little bit more secure. Once I have the wig exactly how I like it to and I'm satisfied, then I go ahead and I cut off all the additional lace that I do not need. Now that all the additional lace is gone, I'm just going to dab a little bit more foundation right at the edges of the lace, exactly where I cut, just to make sure it blends and there's no line of demarcation, the lace isn't too noticeable, etc. Next, I will be adding a lighter foundation in the parting area, mostly because your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone, so I'm just trying to mimic that with the wig overall. Okay, now it is time to deal with the rest of this hair. So this is a afro curly texture, so it has those tight spiral curls, which is not pleasing to the eye. I mean, unless you like it this way, it's completely up to you, but me, no ma'am. We are going to fluff this out. So as y'all can see in my face, I'm like, oh my gosh, here we go. So I'm just taking some water because I don't want the hair to get too frizzy. What normally happens when you separate curls like this, you will see definition, but you will see frizz. It really depends on how much density you want. And me personally, I don't really like to sacrifice the definition of the curls just for fullness. I like to find a happy medium. So this is completely up to you. What I do like about this wig is that even though it comes the way that it comes, you have an option to keep it that way, make it a whole lot fuller, do a lighter type of fluffing. It's completely up to you. It really just depends on how big you want the hair to look, how much definition you want there, etc. So me personally, I like to find a happy medium. So I just kept going until I was satisfied with the hair. Okay, this side is as full as I would like it to be without sacrificing any more definition. So this is the comparison, you guys. So again, completely up to you as to how much you want to fluff, how big you want the hair, how much definition that you want. I will say that this is a true afro curly wig because those curls were tight, and that's what I expect when you say afro curly, those tight coils. So definitely take your time and use water like I suggested, or you can do a mixture of water and conditioner. As far as the shedding goes, as I was doing this process, I didn't really expect no shedding at all because this is a curly wig unit. However, I didn't have excessive shedding, so the quality overall was pretty good, and the lace quality, as you guys can see on camera, was great as well. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. It was still pretty wet at this point, but you guys will see what it looks like when it dries. It's the same look that I had in the intro. Again, this is a 5x5 lace closure, so if you want to switch up the part, you can definitely do so. I showed you guys the lace earlier, but with textures like this, I think a side part does look best. So this is how it looked when it was completely dry. It's pretty cute, right? And I do like the fact that it wasn't too much to get this look. You do have to fluff it out when you receive the wig unit, but how much you want to fluff it out is completely up to you. At least the lace does come ready to go, which is perfect. So again, straight out the box, nothing you have to do. Okay, you guys, we are officially done with the tutorial. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig overall. Let me know how you feel about the texture, the lace quality, etc. Like I said, Love Me Hair wigs normally come ready to go for you, and this is just one of them. And you guys saw how quick and easy it was for me to install and style. Make sure you guys check out the description box down below. Everything will be listed there for you. Texture, inches, density, direct link, all that good stuff, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.